Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the Input Assistant, which is a tool that helps us complete words while we're typing. To do this, go to the top of the screen and click on the Tools tab, then click on Options and select Smart Coding. Enable this option here, list components immediately when typing, and make sure this option here, list components after typing a dot, is also enabled. Then click OK. And now I'll show you how the Input Assistant works. So I'll create a new network, add a contact, and a coil. Now I will type the names of the addresses we have mapped in the previous episode. So here I'll start typing input. And as you can see, as soon as I start typing the word, suggestions appear for me to choose from. So I'll choose input 0, and for the coil, output 0. Next, I'll test this code, so go to the online button, click on login, and let's run a quick test. So I'll change the state of this contact. And if you go here in the CPU configurations menu, and then in integrated I/O mapping, you can see all the states of the inputs and outputs of the controller. So if I go back to user PRG, let's say for example, and change the state of these contacts, go back to the CPU configuration menu, I can see their states here. Well, that's it for today's episode, and I see you on the next one.